Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my channel, TechNova. Hey there, how we doing? Me again, and Chris. Ever dreamed of bringing your craziest creations to life at home? Well, 2025 is looking to be a great year to dive into the world of 3D printing. And today, I'm showing you the top 5 best 3D printers you can buy right now, covering all budgets and all under $1,000. Whether you're a beginner on a tight budget or an advanced hobbyist chasing professional results, there's something here for everyone. So, grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive straight into the future of creation. So number 1, we have the best budget option, Creality Ender 3v3. Price is awesome. You can pick this one up for around $199. The Creality Ender 3v3 stands out as one of the best budget 3D printers available in 2025, offering a combination of affordability, user-friendly features, and impressive performance that appeals to both beginners and seasoned hobbyists. Has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. Layer resolution 0.1 to 0.4 millimeters. Not a bad print speed. Up to 180 millimeters per second, features automatic bed leveling. This is a game changer, easy to use touchscreen, sturdy frame design, compatible with multiple filament types including PLA, ABS, PETG. So why I picked this one for the best budget option, you ask? Well, the Ender 3v3 comes mostly assembled, allowing users to start printing shortly after unboxing. Its intuitive interface and straightforward calibration process make it accessible for newcomers to 3D printing. Advanced features at a low price. Around $199, it offers features typically found in more expensive models, such as automatic bed leveling and a direct drive extruder, enhancing print quality and reliability. The direct drive extruder allows for printing with flexible materials like TPU, expanding the range of possible projects. However, this can be tricky to get dialed in, but you can get this to work. Users have reported consistent performance and reliability, making it a trusted choice for those entering the 3D printing hobby. This is going to be best if you're just starting and want a reliable, easy-to-use printer without costing a bomb. Not really. For serious hobbyists wanting advanced features or higher precision for obvious reasons, this just doesn't have the level of perfection a professional is looking for. And also some other things to note. Lack of filament runout sensor. The printer does not include a filament runout sensor, which could be a drawback for longer prints. Limited build volume. While adequate for many projects, the build volume may be restrictive for larger prints. But this is by far the best pick for beginners who want to get going. And just before we crack on, just a quick reminder, all the links are below in the description, and if you buy using my link, it really helps the channel grow and really means a lot to me. Also, I have a store linked below if you want to check that out. Thanks all, on with the vid. Oosh. And now at number 2, the best mid-range value pick, the Prusa Mini Plus 2025 edition. Price slightly higher at around $380, but this is ideal for intermediate users seeking quality and reliability. Build volume slightly smaller than the V3 at 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters. Layer resolution can go from 0.05 to 0.3 millimeters, so more precision at smaller 0.05 res. Print speed, up to 200 millimeters per second. Features: automatic bed leveling, removable magnetic steel sheet, quiet operation, easy maintenance, optional Wi-Fi upgrade for remote monitoring, high-quality stepper motors for precise prints. Going to be best for those who want consistent high-quality prints and reliable operation without complex setups. Who it's not for, users needing larger build volumes for ambitious projects. And why I chose this for my mid-range pick? Well, the Mini Plus delivers high-quality prints with minimal calibration, thanks to its precise components and firmware enhancements like Input Shaper and Pressure Advance. With features like one-click printing, a straightforward assembly process, and intuitive controls, it's designed for ease of use without compromising on capabilities. Its small footprint makes it suitable for limited spaces, while still offering a respectable build volume for various projects. Strong community and support. Prusa's active user community and comprehensive support resources provide valuable assistance and shared knowledge for users at all levels. Upgradability and open source. Being open source, the Mini Plus allows for customization and upgrades, ensuring longevity and adaptability to evolving needs. And also, some other things to note. While adequate for many tasks, the 180mm cube build area may be restrictive for larger projects. Optional features. Some features, like the filament runout sensor and Wi-Fi connectivity, are optional add-ons and not included by default. Bowden extruder limitations. The Bowden setup may not handle flexible filaments as effectively as direct drive systems. But moving on, now at number 3, best for large prints. The Anycubic Cobra Max 2 priced right now, on sale from $500 to $399. So grab this now if you're in the market using my link below. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Max is a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking a large format 3D printer that balances speed, volume, and affordability. Build volume has a huge 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters, that's 88 liters, huge. Print speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, although recommended 150 to 300 millimeters per second for optimal quality. Features: large heated bed, dual gear extruder, robust aluminum frame, enhanced stability features, integrated filament holder, easy to follow touchscreen controls, exceptional bed adhesion. Bed leveling, Levi Q 2.0 automatic leveling with smart Z offset compensation. Build surface, flexible PEI-coated magnetic steel sheet. Connectivity, USB and Wi-Fi via Anycubic app. And why I chose this for my big print beast: expansive build volume. The substantial 420 by 420 by 500 millimeter print area accommodates large models in a single print, reducing the need for assembly and ensuring structural integrity. While capable of reaching 500 millimeters per second, practical speeds of 150 to 300 millimeters per second offer a balance between speed and print quality, making it efficient for sizable projects. The Levi Q 2.0 system simplifies bed leveling, crucial for large prints where manual adjustments can be challenging. Features like dual Z-axis motors and SG15 bearings contribute to stability, essential for maintaining print quality over large dimensions. The intuitive touchscreen and app connectivity streamline the printing process, allowing for remote monitoring and control. Obviously, this is going to be best for people who want big prints or cosplay items, but also things to consider are: its large size requires ample workspace, which may be a constraint in smaller environments. While capable of high-speed printing, optimal print quality is achieved at moderate speeds. Pushing to maximum speeds may compromise detail. The proprietary firmware restricts advanced customization, which may be a limitation for users seeking extensive control over printer settings. But for the price right now, and you have the room, this thing is a great pick. So for my number 4 spot, best for detail and quality, the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra. And yes, this is a resin printer, priced around $330, ideal for advanced hobbyists and model makers needing precise detail. The Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra 12K stands out as a premier choice for those seeking exceptional detail and print quality in resin 3D printing. Combining ultra-high resolution with a generous build volume and user-friendly features, it caters to both hobbyists and professionals aiming for precision in their projects. Build volume: 218 by 123 by 260 millimeters. Resolution: ultra-fine at 12K, mono LCD, 19 by 24 microns. Print speed: rapid curing, up to 150 millimeters per hour with fast mode. Features: exceptional detail precision, activated carbon filtration, intuitive touchscreen interface, durable resin vat, enhanced UV LED array for uniform curing, minimal print layer visibility. Who it's for? Ideal for detailed figurines, jewelry making, or prototypes demanding high accuracy. Who it's not for? Users looking for ease of maintenance or those sensitive to resin handling. And things to consider: manual leveling. The 4-point leveling system requires manual adjustment, which might be less convenient compared to automatic systems. Slicer compatibility. While it comes with Voxel Dance Tango, users accustomed to other slicers may need time to adapt. Wi-Fi transfer limitations. Though Wi-Fi enabled, some users prefer direct USB transfers for reliability. Now lastly, we have the best all-around premium pick, the Bamboo Lab P1S, 2025 refresh. Price: approximately $699. Ideal for enthusiasts and semi-professionals wanting the best of all worlds. The Bamboo Lab P1S 2025 refresh stands out as a top-tier, all-around premium 3D printer, delivering exceptional speed, print quality, and user-friendly features. Its robust design and advanced capabilities make it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals seeking reliable performance. Build volume, 256 millimeters square. Print speed is incredible, 500 millimeters per second. Features: advanced Core XY design, fully enclosed heated chamber, AI-driven print monitoring, multi-material capability, touchscreen with detailed analytics, quick change nozzle system, excellent software ecosystem. And why I chose this as my king or queen? Well, the P1S boasts impressive print speeds up to 500 millimeters per second with rapid acceleration, enabling quick production without compromising quality. Exceptional print quality. Equipped with features like vibration compensation and pressure advance, it ensures smooth and precise prints even at high speeds. The all-metal hot end allows for printing with a wide range of materials, including PLA, TPU, ABS, and PC, accommodating various project requirements. User-friendly operation. With automatic bed leveling, a straightforward interface, and reliable out-of-the-box performance, it caters to both beginners and experienced users. Multicolor printing capability. Compatible with Bamboo Lab's Automatic Material System, AMS, it supports multicolor printing with up to 16 colors, enhancing creative possibilities. But things to consider are noise level. Some users have noted that the printer can be noisy during operation. Proprietary components. The use of proprietary parts may limit third-party upgrades and replacements. AMS unit waste. The AMS system may result in filament waste during color changes. But this is great for serious hobbyists or small businesses who demand speed, reliability, and versatility. Who it's not for? Beginners or those on a tighter budget. The Bamboo Lab P1S 2025 refresh offers a compelling combination of speed, quality, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a premium 3D printing experience. Its robust feature set and reliable performance justify its position as a top all-around premium pick in the current market. But before you make your final decision, consider the space you have available, your skill level, and the types of projects you want to tackle. It's always a good idea to factor in the ongoing costs of materials and maintenance when budgeting for a 3D printer. And don't forget, community and support matter. Checking user forums or community groups can also give you valuable insight. And there you have it, my friends, the absolute best 3D printers of 2025, covering every need and every budget under $1,000. Let me know in the comments which printer caught your eye or if you've already got one of these amazing machines. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to keep the channel alive and thriving. Catch you on the next one. Keep printing, keep creating, and stay awesome.